So we're jumping straight in. Done this this panel last time, the inner seal. I've now got all these spot welds off, smoothed them all off, smoothed off down here. Not going to go too crazy with it because it's going to be painted and under the carpet. So it's all in there nice and solid. So I'm happy with that. So what we're going to do now is probably going to put this panel in here I made. Cut all this out and put this whole panel in. Get it all tack welded in. So we'll do that next. So let's go for it. So I spot weld all this in like to get in the car and do all this, but I've done all this bit. I got a bit carried away on the other side and welded it from the other side. There's a few little holes I've still got to do. So I've just got to do this bit. I've got to make a little bit to go in there. And then, so it connects to that bit. So that's probably what I'm going to do next. So this is what I've got. Come up alright. I haven't gone too mad, like I said before. I'm not going too mad underneath with the welds and stuff. But yeah, sit down there. You can see down there. I've done that bit. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. So I'll take you on the other side. And, on the other side there, because this is all going to be covered up by the chassis I made. So now I'm going to put the seatbelt bracket in, weld that in place, and then we'll move on to the other bit of the chassis, but that'll probably be in the next video. But we'll crack on with this first, and then we'll go from there. So seat bracket's all in. So the seat belt bracket is all in. Just going to give it a quick primer. There you go. Sorted. Just going to take them welds off tomorrow. So next time, the next video, we'll be tackling this part here. This is me panel I made a good few videos ago. So I've got to put that in there like that. So this bit will be complete. There you go. Up to there. Look. Oh, look at that. Decent. And I can prime it all. Start going on the other side, cleaning all the other side up. Getting on in red oxide, and then I'm going to tackle this. So just pulled this bad boy out of the shed. It's my first ever welder. Little Draper, I think it's about 90, I think Draper 90, something like that. It's got 0.8mm wire, gaskets wire on it. I've done some projects in the past on motorbikes and stuff like that with it. Didn't realise that was all on there. So Dave's Garage done a video on it a few weeks back. Come up with some nice finishing welds, really impressive. So I thought I'd give it a go. This is what I got. Come up really nice, look at that. Only had a little tinker around with it, and that's come up really pucker. Look, so smooth there, and it doesn't have. You don't have to like smooth off the welds as much. So that is made me happy, because all I've been doing lately has just been grinding, sanding back. Oh, it's just been an absolute nightmare. But I'm happy with that. So I'm going to start using this process, and I'm going to give it a go. I managed to get the video done in the end. I had a little bit of a moment last week where I had enough of doing it. I have been putting a lot of work into it, pretty much sort of every day up to that, and I felt a bit disheartened, you know, but I've had 4 days off. Thought I'd come back and finish it off, and yeah, it's nice to have a little break. So I think I'm back in the zone. But yeah, so I just want to say thanks for coming back. Subscribe, like, really appreciate your comments, really does help me. And it's nice to see that I'm helping other people. So but yeah, we'll crack on. We'll get that bit done next, the chassis. I'll get that back on, the jig and that back on, and hopefully get all that back in line, and we can start seeing hopefully a bit of progress. Really looking forward to using the gasless wire. So yeah, but yeah, like I say, thanks for coming back once again. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.